Alright, Abusia, Yamakwaba, about Ghana and Sam TV. Your best say, Bube subscribe to the channel and for my game channel. I will comment section. Yamashine.
I don't see or reset it. I don't see or reset it. A biom last week, young Kokamientia, Yama public sector pay increase 9% in this economy. In this so-called one-digit inflation economy. Cobra? Mami mbasu nchira. Mami kanchira muse.
There was a negotiation. It wasn't done in the past.
Please,
will you not come and
the labor expense is the best for us.
Yes.
What do you mean? I said now labor expense. Oh, Singamika no.
I am saying that there was a negotiation.
Is an enemy to the state.
Exactly.
Please, I disagree with him. And then go to civil service. Let me say 9% no. More man. Go and ask them. Last year, 10%. Last year, Mubano, 10%. This year, now I'm 9%. That is insulting.
Enya kura you bottom man na titi ale ton de enya kura omante so kura nkeye
omante do na so kura nkeye
ankeye ye kura amboa ye omote so kura na ye nto hwi omotu mu ne de na nkakra akra ba ote so no kura de amboa ye nkura amboa ye mama ye nsa sifom
ento baka cha beni se dollar no ntu
otumu eye otuma odo se watumu no omo beto sika ni okura omo beto ote so no kura de iOS
ba o hwe se ni de abande na ye na form but be atima mo fona kasa mo nyi sika mo
da bitima fo ni nya hwe omo nya hwe sika na kasa na emma sika na kasa amba sika ni ba sa nko mo beto sika no ba omo beto sika na kasa kura na emba omo nto hwe
Number two, me had the man. I watched the anymore. So for sure,
Atoforcing.
Atoforcing. Or beko parliament. Or co-parliament. Or the budget never be too concerning 2026. And your mom may yeah. And then I'll be catching and I didn't wear expectation.
Budget no more na aya a problem wo hono. There be a budget. There be a budget. Na budget na for so bempa na yenya wo budget ne so. Hono na mente ase because there be a budget for a year. They be out, but you be wura finim no. Send ya we ebia ono beka no no. Ye hu ni sa. Enti sa mi na omo budget ne de. Mfunso beble wo ho. Ono kura de. Mfunso beble wo ho. Enti ye be sere se omo fan hyehyɛ ne nto kwan mu yie. Na ye hu ni ya de sika na nkasa ye. Na ye nya mfaso ni mfiso. Na de bia ye be dra ye nya mfaso de. Mfaso bia ni so. Se sika wo kron ma ana ye ho beto ye na sika ni kron ni na ye be na ye ho ato ye sika die sika ni ho na mien no kra die sika ni ho odo ama no ye ni ho na afamu die bet ba bia ehia no ana ye ho no mu no they say baby so bi obi abeka sika baby so bi sika se ho ye ni da bia sika se ho ye da bia sika so da bia mo to mo draw budget enye
okay, offer also for Oshe Sika Semsi eye Atoforcing. Now Oshe previous finance minister Oye Ken of Oriata already Atoforcing on a scale from 1 to 10. Within this 9 months, how be man is saying?
Although na omumienu na de anka to de oye. For now, they met me a so only in this city for now, they met me a so ye. But back on the day, although the obe high, or not the obe high because although not dollar no was so dear, but on no or high one she said in your may, but for now, no, I told you met me a say, city for now, they were the bet only into me and fancy say on in and I say,
also introducing new taxes.
Hey! Na tax the crown ni tua ni mpo na ya asem ana mo say introduce for account amwa
Mini aba me da ase e wa kwanya ade ama me me de me hwe sa CD to dollar rate na fine eye say enka aba ne sa bat me de ye hu reflection bia e economy no so mini aba me no me igina this year me ye friend is adetoni me jam me to madi fiti no pa say me jam no pa time we so obi kura be say how much kura me hu Chese ye hunu hwe nneema nko yi system no de no kra enye kra enti no so mbe bibia fa ho menye na sa CD to dollar rate na ze ebinom de je wo mo ho mena se ama dollar ba fon CD aba form na dollar ba form na CD no nya grounds no ye no me de yan ye wo informal workers no de ye hunu hwe bibia nkoso.
The over report now about house na when you get on grounds, the prices are reduced. Over just mobile.
Me no aba anema me ton de me ko fa no kantamanto. Price are na me fa no asat last year no. Na dollar no was even higher no. The same price na me fa no be. And na yes dollar na higher than aba from no na cedi na rising. The same price na me fa no. Me de me hu any indication, any good indication be me hu be out.
Okay, so Nyame Aduma na oche eba no Minister of Finance eba be ready budget for next year. And go for a cancer omoba munyina no, they've not brought out a new tax. I be someone introducing new taxes. So people are saying that they should introduce new tax because from next year Korean koji loan e IMF obi o sha no say.
Say some of the citizens encourage finance minister and I say government in say my encourage
some financiers omunim de ewo eba no sikasem a omo kan say next year Korean ko IMF obi na say yankasa na ye be pay sika na ye na wo se yenye. So they are telling the finance minister saying you should introduce more taxes, but Ghanaians are also saying say new taxes now wanting dada na wo hon omo hwe no munye hu sakra e bi wo sha ene omo ya adwena na say taxes no
introduction of new taxes na there fine say eno ebeboa ama economy no ayeye dia ene na ka me hunu say enka previous government no there were some taxes be introduced here ama and the current government no attack the then government say I say they were all nuisance and whatever it no mean fa back down some introduce any new tax bia because what they know na say no promise are the man yen during election year no went man fulfill it no there me and even as we speak Ghana you know about you call IMF you introduce new taxes krana still enkoyi yanko said he is managing your man you know about enkoyi that this penifo no fanani and from pana or there are some measures they are very critical hono so mo no munya idiom because say me about me hu dem make calculate me das
where they tell but next budget na ba na dey na wo susu say enka ho na dey na wo susu say enko munyin film
budget for next year
no it's going to be about development and everything pertaining the economy
me about me dey minimum there me sure say most Ghanaians and you know budget you read since Kwame Nkrumah time no the same budget now no be ready there will be nothing new and I mean if there will be anything new me who say be different government your baba can be some or come one near keke omon practicalize it or beka theory and or be read actual no actually but they will not put it into practice
from 2024 up to 2025 no the foundation laid in 2024 no and am I who the 2025 okay assuming with that admitting the real scorecard of NDC will be 2026. As an economist, I will not give all the credit to us. No. Yes, I've been unfair.
Foundation.
I want to be a moderate. I want to be a moderate. And in moderation, no, don't be too extreme.
Okay.
Because I bring be a running going concern. Don't forget to say, you're too about we no. Nine can't forget my costume mayhem in Ghana. But don't say there be 57% to the massa. O to him mama or the quarter. Emfa. 87 in parliament against 183 or the quarter emfa. Let's leave it hanging. And what we are seeing today, no, the moderates will argue say a certain foundation was laid. And that foundation that was laid, no, there's a build up for 1 year.
because you fa 1 month and yemoba emanen it's not possible. Going forward, no, the real litmus test of NDC as a government will be 2026. Because 2025 for the own inherited BB and so far equity asset plus liability. So dia memua a ka any japadi any pejade.
Yep.
When you put the two together, it gives you equity. So the equity of a country called Ghana no, is the total, the aggregate of your asset and your liability. Now you've run the country for 1 year. The indicators are so good. And the moderate will argue, say, look, if the indicators are good, they are. Obi na di baton here then, and you're unlocking the prospect in that baton, no, and now more indicators now are very positive.
Especially on the growth of the economy, no.
Precisely.
What World Bank for predict says by a certain percentage.
Now we've done 6.3. So that means that we've done far in excess of what the World Bank told us. And what I make sure will say, in analyzing the context of the growth situation now, no, you are going to meet two group people, the extremists and the moderate. The extremists will tell you, say, look, and this MPP are nyeshi, omo bo minor, omo the echo IMF, DDEP, into omo say minor. The moderate will say there be whatever success you are witnessing today, no, a certain foundation was called the going concern principle. However, as an economist, right, I want to say, if we really want to judge NDC as a government properly, it will be 2026. Because 2026, the benchmark of 2026 is 2025. So a new
that will be the foundation.
That will be the foundation. So the foundation of us NDC is 2025. So we are then going to analyze whether say one, His Excellency Mahama, resetting minu ye, Dr. Keslato Forsen, the financial prowess and experience na college no, it is really working. And in Yankopon Yardman, November 2026, no, mebaha, then we will do introspection. Now you find data by data. We will take the 2024 data, 2025 data, and look at projection for 2027.
Okay.
At that level, no, you compare you have variance analysis. You have 2024, you have 2025, you have 2026. And to say, oh yeah, the moderator now will make argument to say, NDC near share, near for 2024, near scale about 2025, near about 2026. And to say 2027, you catch you say, oh, exchange rate bet me a best $7 to $1. Then that strength of the performance no cannot be credited to the MPP. But all said and done, I can tell you, say, there is certain agenda.